Hello, welcome back. We are going to see how to write test case for service implementation. Just imagine how can we write a test case for service implementation. So in real time scenario, these services are interacting with the database and retrieving the data. But such kind of scenario, how we are going to write our unit test cases? Our unit test cases are basically not going to talk with the database or not going to connect with the database. So that time alternative is stub service. So how we are going to create stub service for this? I can create stub service for this. So how we are going to create means let's see. In this src test folder, you can create one package that is stub package. So you can create one package under this stub. So here one class you can create calculator. So which service you are going to stub? That is a calculate service. So we can create a calculate service stub. This is what we need to create. Then what it is going to do, it will implement calculate service. So it will give some imports error. You can import calculate service and it will give unimplemented methods error. So you can implement. Now this service is not going to interact with the DB. So for that what we have to create is return new int, because we are going to create 1 comma 2 comma 3, or you can give 10 10 10. You can give anything. Now your stub is ready. Now you are going to use this add example test only, but I will create this example for stub purpose. So I will create one more stub test, add example stub test. So these same methods you can copy paste. Add example stub test. And here you don't want this one. As of now we can remove this method, and this method also we can remove, and this method also we can remove. So this one is add example stub test. Now what we have to do is, we have already created stub, so we can remove this one. We can call add example which method we want. This one, get some service. So you can use get some service like this. But if you are doing this one, it will give null pointer exception because we did not set the value for this. So you can test it. It will give null pointer exception. Yeah, see, null pointer exception is coming over here. So for this, what we have to do is add example dot set calculate service and this calculate service. Here this calculate service you need to instantiate. So which one you have to instantiate? You have created a stub method, a stub class. That one you need to create. So what is stub class? Calculate service stub. So like this you have to create, and it will give error because some import only it will ask. It may takes some few seconds of time to get import. Yes, you can import. Now if you run this, you will get it. You will get it. Test case will be passed. You can see. Cool. You got this output. This is how service implementation can be tested with a stub. For this we have written the stub class and implemented calculate service like this. So let us briefly see how we have done. So our main purpose is to write this implementation as a unit test. So this has been retrieved the details from the service. In real time scenario, it is picking the details from the database, but our unit test is not having that flexibility to interact database. So for that we are going to create one stubs service. So we have created stub service for this, and we have implemented and get it calculate service, and respective method will be implemented, and here we are defining the our data values. Then stub is created, and we have created one add example stub test.java. Here what we have done is, earlier we have passed the directly values int data values. Now we are calling just method, and for that we are instantiating calculate service stub. So when we create this stub service, that stub service only picking the details, and it is retrieving the details, and when we are testing actual result and expected result is 6, it is matching. That is the reason we are getting the green color output. So no errors, no failures. This is about stub creation. We will see other examples in next session. Till then, thank you.